In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace black and white in Affinity Photo, Designer, and Publisher. Let's walk through a simple, reliable workflow that works the same way across all three apps. First, open your file. This can be a photo, a graphic, or a layout, anything you need to recolor. Give it a moment to load so the layers and panels populate. If you're working with a complex document, it helps to have the Layers panel visible so you always know what you're affecting. Next, select the layer you want to change. Click the exact layer or group you want to recolor so the adjustment targets the right content. If you pick the wrong layer, you may end up recoloring the entire document or nothing at all, so a quick glance at the layer highlight can save time. Now, go to Adjustments. You'll find the Adjustments panel in the studio on the right, identified by a half-filled circle icon. If you don't see it, enable it from the View or Studio options so it appears in your sidebar. Adjustments are non-destructive, which means you can edit or remove them anytime without harming your original pixels. Click Recolor, sometimes labeled Recolor, or Replace Color, also labeled Replace Color in some versions. Recolor shifts overall hues and is great for broad, unified changes. Replace Color specifically targets one color range and swaps it with another, making it ideal for transforming very specific tones like black and white. Change black and white to your new colors. For Replace Color, use the picker to select black in your image, then choose the color you want to replace it with. Increase tolerance or range if it misses deep shadows, and adjust softness for smoother transitions. Then repeat the process for white. Pick the brightest areas, choose your new light color, and fine-tune the selection. If you prefer recolor for a uniform look, set your target color and rely on tonal controls to pull the whites and blacks toward that hue while keeping the image balanced. Finally, adjust sliders until it looks right. Tweak hue to dial in the exact color, saturation to control intensity, and lightness to avoid crushing shadows or blowing out highlights. Range or tolerance expands the selection. Softness feathers the edges so you don't see harsh boundaries. Zoom in to check edges and textures, and zoom out to confirm the overall look feels natural. If something seems off, nudge the sliders gently rather than making big jumps. And that's it. Open your file, select your layer, go to Adjustments, choose Recolor or Replace Color, set new colors for black and white, and refine the sliders until it's perfect.